Hello, everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr. Now, recently, I've been hearing from many new traders complaints about the condition of the forex market, and the forex market has been choppy in the last couple of weeks, and that is basically due to intervention from central banks. So, a lot of pumping money into the market has affected the forex market, but not only the forex market, it also affected the index market. Now, when you limit yourself to only certain market or just the forex, then you're missing out a lot of opportunities on markets such as the index. So what I thought I'll do on this video is take you through three different index market, and depend where you are in the world, what time is most convenient for you to trade. There is a market that is open, there is an index that is open, the underlying market is open, and you can look for trade on that market. So not limiting yourself to one market or one type of market. So the first market I want to take a look at is the Nikkei, which is open during the Asian hours. And let's take a look on the daily. Beautiful uptrend here on the daily. Moving averages are fanning and in the correct order. We have 20,000 coming up, very close to where we are right now. It will be probably a level of support and resistance, being that is a big round number. We can have a quick look at the monthly to see if there's any touches at that level before, and let's just scroll back a bit, and we can see that around this area, the 2100, 20,000, we actually have a level of support and resistance. We had a support and resistance level around this 1800. We broke up through it and we're looking quite strong. However, we are overextended on the moving averages, from the moving averages on the monthly. So I would expect a pullback, because as you can see, a market that is moving very nice and very strong. So what am I going to look for in trading opportunities? Well, actually, I'm looking for a much lower time frame for trading opportunities in the direction of this overall market. So currently, for example, even though the underlying market is closed, you can see that there's still the Globex market, and we can look for opportunities to position ourselves as the market continue higher. But a very nice uptrend over here and a beautiful uptrend on the daily. Now, if we move on the time zone, the next one that open and has a lot of volume in it is the DAX. So let's take a look at that. Now the DAX had a very beautiful run. Let's take a look at the weekly. So ever since the intervention or the quantitative easing started from the European Central Bank, we had a big push. We broke up through this level of support and resistance at 10,000, and we've been moving higher ever since. Currently we are overextended. We moved about 2,000 points since the beginning of January. So what I'm looking for is a pullback to the averages to release a little bit of this buying pressure that we have, and then a continuation of this uptrend. So if we'll take a look at the daily, we can see the momentum of the daily has been steady to the upside. So keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Currently, we pull back into the moving averages. We try to continue higher, but today we're actually failing and currently breaking the low of Friday of the previous candle. So looking a little bit more bearish, and if we break this previous low, then we will be moving into a downtrend here on the daily. But as you can see, we can certainly find opportunities on lower time frames. So even going down into 5 minutes, and even if we trade it to the downside until we find the next area of support and resistance on the daily, it still gives us ample of opportunities during the day itself. So not holding position overnight, looking at lower time frames. So looking at daily candles, looking at 5-minute candles, we always apply the same trading strategy. We always apply the same rules, looking for opportunities. So let's take a quick look. If you can see on this time frame, the 10 minutes, there are opportunity as we have the market going lower. So what I'll be doing is looking at the daily to assess where I can find the market going currently on this day, even though the overall market is to the upside. This is the overall trend today, and we see a sell-off. So I'll be looking to be a seller and look for opportunities on lower time frame, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 100 ticks, 200 ticks to short this market. If you are looking for the next market that is open, we can take a look at the Russell. So that's the next market that comes in the US market. So what we can see on the Russell, that we are in a nice uptrend over here. We are a bit overextended, so looking for a pullback. But if we'll take a look, let's just jump into the monthly. And what we can spot from the monthly is that we had this area of consolidation. Maybe we just mark that in with a little bit of a box around this area. So we had this area of consolidation when the market just for plenty of months just moved sideways all around here. We finally this month broke above this level of consolidation. So if we go down into the weekly, we can see that the weekly is still in an uptrend and looking quite strong. We had a bullish candle right here in the buy zone and then a break above it. So looking for trading opportunities to join the direction of this uptrend. But currently, as you can see from the lower time frame, we're pulling back. And from the 4 hours, what I can spot is a pullback into the buy zone. So I'll be looking for trading opportunities either on much lower time frame to catch up the move as we are going lower or as we are pulling back. And once I see a reversal on the mid time frame, then I'll be looking for an opportunity to join this market for the long side. So as you can see, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, there's always an index that is open with a lot of opportunities in it, either being on the mid time frame or the much lower time frame, and that will be an intraday type of trading, looking for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes types of trades. So if you want to learn more about our trading strategy and how we actually apply the same methodology, the same trading strategy to different time frame and different markets, then please join us on our next free webinar. And that's going to be on Tuesday, the 24th of March at 7 p.m. Sydney, or Wednesday, 25th of March at 4 p.m. New York. And there's a different time zone around here as well. So wherever you are in the world, there will be a time zone that will suit you in between these two. In this webinar, we're going to give you the complete rules for the precision trend flow strategy. So a lot of what I'm looking at in index trading is the trend flow strategy itself. We're going to look at trade setup and trade management and how to apply this strategy in any market and any time frame. Until then, wishing you a fantastic trading week, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.